Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. It's been a while since we uploaded a video. Many of you have been asking how to prepare effectively for a CSCA exam for bachelor degree program, especially since the April 25th exam is very close. As only few days left, this is best time to focus on mock test and time management. This is also perfect time to start your preparation for those who want to join the exam in June. In our today's video, we will share two free websites for the mock test and also tell you how to use the website. So let's get started. We believe that practicing on those websites will help you understand how much time you need for each question and make your preparation much stronger. The first website we are going to explore is CSCA Academy. First, go to Google and search for CSCA app. Once you search, the CSCA Academy website will appear in the result. Click on the link to open the website. Now the website is open. From here, you can change the language setting according to your preference and easily browse the platform in the language that is most comfortable for you. At the beginning, you will also see a notification about next upcoming CSCA exam date. Now, if you click on Start Learning, you will find three subject practice options: mathematics, physics, chemistry. Here the website also gives you an idea about how many questions are there and how much time you will get for each practice test. For example, if you want to practice mathematics, click on the mathematics option and then select Start Practice. At the beginning, you will see a brief overview of the exam, including the exam duration, the total number of questions, a score, and the exam format. Mathematics section include questions from several important topics such as sets, functions, geometry, probability. Each topic has its own separate practice test. For example, if you want to practice set questions, click on the set question and then click Start Practice. The questions are usually in a multiple choice format. So you simply need to select the option you think is correct and check whether the answer is right. If your answer is wrong, click on View Solution and it will show you a detailed explanation of how the problem was solved. This helps you understand the concept clearly. In the same way, you can complete practice session for the other topics as well. Similarly, if you want to prepare for physics or chemistry, return to the main website and select physics or chemistry from the Start Learning section. Then open the specific topic you want to solve and click Start Practice to begin your preparation. The second website we are going to explore is cscamaster.com. First, go to Google and search for cscamaster.com. Click on the link to open the website. To start preparing for the exam using this website, you first need to create an account. So, click on Create Free Account and create your free account. After login, you will able to see main dashboard of the website. Now, if you scroll down a little, you will find several options such as practice test, exam syllabus, scholarship, guidelines. Since you logged into this website mainly for practice test, we will click on practice test option. After clicking there, you will able to see mock test for different exam. At the top, the subjects are clearly divided into sections such as math, physics, chemistry. Now choose the subject test you want to take and click Start button next to it. As soon as you click, the test will begin immediately. Finally, I hope this video makes your preparation more organized and easier. And I truly believe if you practice regularly, you will definitely see improvement in your score. That's all about today's video. And best wishes for your CSCA preparation. See you in our next episode.